Hey guys, it is way too early in the morning. It is 5:45 here on Saturday. Hoping to get some work done on the go-kart today. But why I'm up this early, you might ask, and why do I have a headlamp on? It's because I'm doing my best Papa Texas, and we're doing a little smoking here on the Big Green Egg. This is the first time I've used it. Bought it, a month or so ago. You may have seen that on my Instagram. But we got a pork butt going, and it's a 7-pounder, and this potentially could be taking, 12 to 14 hours. So again, hoping to have a good day in the garage. So we'll keep you up to date on what's going on today. You'll see it tomorrow, as you know, Sunday upload. So hey, happy Saturday. Man, does it stink that it's 20-some degrees out. Alright, it's 10:30 in the morning, and we are holding a steady 230 on this guy. And let's turn on the meat thermometer to see what we're at there, but we're in the 30s out now, much better. Ran some errands this morning. Didn't get anything done on the go-kart yet, but yeah, let's see what the meat temp is. Wow, so surprisingly, 153, that's pretty good, because when we get to 160, we're going to take this thing and wrap it, and then try to get it to 190 after that, before we can pull it. They said for a bone-in pork butt to anticipate between 1.5 and 2 hours per pound, and since this was 7 3/4, that's over 15 pounds, which is why I got up at 4 in the morning. So we could eat at a decent time tonight, but hey, this might not take near as long. Maybe we could crack some of this afternoon, but anyway, we'll keep checking back. Alright, so here we are, just waiting. Laid out so we can transfer from the green egg to the foil. Wrap that thing up, baste it with some applesauce. That reminds me, I need to go grab that. And then throw it back on and let it sit some more until we get to 190. So anyway, got the gloves out. I'm sure that sucker's gonna be hot when I pull it off, but luckily it's a quick transfer. So anyway, we'll get some footage of what this thing looks like when I crack that lid. Sorry, we got some shadows we're dealing with here, but still, again, feel pretty good about what's going on. It's about 10:30, so this thing's been going for 5 hours now. Anyway, you know what's gonna happen. And now that I think about it, this video is probably gonna get long, so this will probably be a totally separate video than my go-kart progress. I'll probably break that up into 2. But anyway. Alright, so here's the 160 mark. Man, oh man, this thing looks good. So, let's get this pulled off and let's baste it, wrap it in foil, and get it back on. Okay, so here it is, basted with applesauce. We're gonna get this wrapped back up, back on the smoker, and then I'm gonna go on with my Saturday. But man, oh man, there was already a chunk that had wanted to fall off of this backside. I just want to lunge into that thing, but it's kind of nice too, the way the grill marks are kind of toothed the pork butt to take on some of the applesauce. But yep, let's quit talking and get this wrapped back up. Alright, so the pork butt has reached an internal temp of 190, which means we can pull it. I've already shut down the lid and the bottom vent to the green egg. So let's see what we got. let's give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. We're gonna wrap this in a towel and let it sit for an hour before we start pulling it, but my goodness, that looks fantastic.